guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel and you're watching me, Tanuja, and I'm sitting in a considerably new setup. And you guys must be wondering that this girl keeps on changing her YouTube background and so much of that. Like, what's actually happening in her life? And today's video is actually that, where I'm gonna just sit down, do some good skincare, and I'm gonna fill you guys in of what's actually happening in my life. I have so many life updates to give you guys, and there's just so much that I want to share with you all. So much has happened in my life, so much has changed, so I thought today's video is going to be perfect. So without any further ado, let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay, so first off, I'm going to be starting off by washing my face using this Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. It's a pretty good face wash if you guys ask me, so I'm going to directly go ahead and start. So basically I was posting regular videos in December, and then I kind of stopped like when the year started, and so many of you all texted me like, what's wrong, why are you not posting? So basically I gave my CA final group 1 exams in November 2020. And then my group 2 exams were supposed to happen in Feb 2021. So when January started, I started preparing for my exams, and that's the reason why I had to take a step back from YouTube. Obviously I had to study, but the first shocker of 2021 came when it was like my exam started in Feb, and before my second exam came the evening of my group 1 result, and I failed by a good margin, and that was something that has never happened to me in my entire life. I have always been good at academics, and even in like my entire CA journey I've never failed. So somehow or the other I just thought like I've disappointed my parents, and I was just so disappointed in myself only, and that really threw me off the hook. But nevertheless I gathered myself up, and somehow or the other I gave all of my exams. Now before we move on with the story, I'm gonna just go and wash my face quickly. Okay, well, washed and squeaky clean, and next I'm gonna do masking, and I'm gonna be using the Dot & Key Skincare Glow Reviving Vitamin C Pink Clay Mask. I really enjoy using this face mask, okay, so I'm gonna use this today. So yeah, I finally gave my exams, and of course I had failed in group 1, and this time I gave my exams for group 2. But somehow or the other I was very much like not focused on my exams, because just after my exams there was this trip coming up. We were going to Jaipur as a family, and all my mind could think of was what content I'm gonna create, मैं क्या reels बनाऊंगी, which places to go, what itinerary, and just I used to just think about Jaipur all the time. Okay, I was just so excited and fascinated to be going on a trip after so long, and you guys saw that the vlogs and everything else. So the trip was really good, but something that was like that shook me from within, I won't say like shook me from within, but it was more of a shakedown, is that you guys know Hikmat, okay? You guys have seen her in my vlogs. She is my best friend. She's a part of the group, and while I was in Jaipur, she calls me one day and she tells me that she has a flight for Australia the very next day, and no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't come back to Chandigarh. And we always knew उसका फाइल प्रोसेस में था, and we knew कि किसी भी दिन confirmation आ सकती है and वो चली जाएगी, but we didn't know that it's gonna be like so soon, and मुझे time भी नहीं मिलेगा उससे मिलने के लिए. Like, I did not get the chance to say her goodbye or just meet her for the last time, knowing that I'm meeting her for the last time. Of course it's really I'm like very happy for her that this happened and she's moving on in her life, but at the same point of time I also have a friend, and I really miss her. Like, there's no denying the fact that I miss her, okay, and I don't want to cry right now, okay. So that was a lot to process, and you won't realize that until and unless you have a friend that is moving to abroad. Like, the feeling is very different. Okay, so I applied the face mask a little bit off the camera because that was distracting me. So after Harpreet left and I came back to Chandigarh, I fell sick, and as I recovered I got a call from my office that I had to rejoin office. a lot of you all don't know, but CA में क्या होता है that you get limited amount of leaves, like आपको कुछ limited छुट्टियाँ ही मिलती हैं for your exams, and due to COVID and everything else काफ़ी चीज़ें mess up हो गई थी, so मैंने extra छुट्टियाँ ली हुई थी, and I had promised my principal that once my exams are going to be over, I am going to rejoin office to compensate for the time lost. So I finally joined back, and the entire month of March I was just conducting audits. We were on some or the other location, and बीच में of course मेरा birthday भी था, which went actually pretty nice. You guys can go and watch the vlog on Monica's channel. She vlogged my birthday thing. So the thing is that at that point of time COVID cases were rising, and somehow or the other I was really concerned कि you know, I'm just going out every day and I'm going to different locations, I'm meeting so many people, so what if I get the virus? Okay, so March went into all of this, and then I think by 1st or 2nd April I was able to complete all of my audits, and I was on and off again, like finally I left my office क्योंकि मेरा सब articleship वगैरह सब खत्म हो गई, and before we go to April मेरा जो face mask है वो सूख गया है, so I'm gonna just go remove it and then we'll continue the updates. Okay, now that I'm back, I just feel like the face mask really did its job. Yeah, my skin feels bubbly soft. The next thing that goes on my face is a toner or a primer water, and today I'm using the Kama Ayurveda Pure Vetiver water. It's a pretty cute one and it smells very cool, okay, so I like it. Okay, I love the hydration on my skin. Next I'm using this Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This is how the serum looks. It's a very good serum. Like you guys can see, the bottle is almost over. I've been using it for quite a while now, and you guys can see like I'm not breaking out at all, and my skin is also clear than before, so it really works. It has been working, that's what I can say. So we were on April, okay. Now by 2nd or 1st April we finished off our audits and everything else, and I was back with my study routine because from 20th of May I had my exams again. Yeah, I like forgot to update you guys. March के बीच में I got results from my second group, and this time too I failed, but the point was this time I failed by 6 marks. I'd say I wasn't sad with my result because that somehow made me believe कि you know कि अगर मैं 194 तक आ सकती तो 200 मार्क्स लाने को ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है. 200 is the passing marks in case you guys are wondering. So April में मैंने पढ़ना start कर दिया, but there were two very big things that happened in April. First being that I still remember on 5th of April to be very precise, Vikas, he walks into my house with a mithai ka dabba in his hand, and I thought, you know, like ये वैसे ही आया. By the way, I'm using the Pond's Super Light Hyaluronic and Vitamin C Acid Gel Based Moisturizer that goes first on my face. So I thought ये just another day and he's just here, and you know, normally. But this guy comes in and tells me that he got his visa for Canada. I am telling you, I have accepted and made peace with the fact that he's gonna be leaving the country so soon. But on that very moment, on that very day, I was literally shattered and devastated. I cannot have all of my best friends leaving me, okay? It's a very bad feeling, okay? You feel alone, and that's what I felt उस time पे. And I almost, like, I cried so much for days, you know, that why didn't you let me know. And you know, हमें किसी को कोई idea नहीं था that he is doing this. उसने कब IELTS करी, कब अपनी फाइल लगाई, ऐसे सब कुछ करा, हमें किसी को भी कोई आइडिया नहीं था. Only his family knew and nobody knew. Yeah, like within 1 or 2 days I became okay with it. And then came the time when he told me कि उसके पास सिर्फ 15-20 दिन है and उसको बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करनी है, सामान लेना है, you know. So हम लग गए उसकी शॉपिंग में, ठीक है. One day we were going to mall, the other day we were buying button, and the next day we were getting his fittings done for a suit. And उस टाइम पे इतना सारा काम चल रहा था, and इसके साथ साथ ही I started working as a videographer and an editor with a very good friend of mine. So yeah, this has also happened, and your girl has started exploring new opportunities and just trying out new things. So with regards to that, a very good friend of mine, he's a food stylist, food photographer, food blogger. His Instagram is by Bhukkad in Town. You guys can go and follow him. His work is really amazing. Like, for the food fanatics out there, you must follow him. So he reached out to me, you know, that he liked my work, like the way I edit, the way I present my videos, and he wanted some help with filming some recipe videos for a client. And I thought, like, okay, let me just try. By the way, I'm using this Kama Ayurveda Eladi Hydrating Ayurvedic Face Cream. Okay, this is a sample and I thought, like, I'll just use it because it's a cream based moisturizer, so I need a little bit of moisturization with that. So I started working with him as his videographer and editor. He used to take care of the cooking part and I used to take care of the camera and the editing and everything else. And to be very honest, they turned out to be pretty good and we both make a very good team. So while I was managing the entire shopping and everything for Vikas, I was also working as a videographer and an editor, and we used to have these full-on, full-fledged shoot days. Now that due to Corona, we cannot really go around. And at the same point of time, April के around ही, we started getting our kitchen renovated. Okay, हमारे kitchen में लकड़ी का कोई भी काम नहीं था, so we started getting done with that. And उसके लिए भी some days we're choosing the colors, Sanmaika handles, and yeah, basically a lot of stuff was happening, and there was a constant thug at my place, drill machines going on. So that was also one of the main reasons why I wasn't able to film YouTube videos. It was May and we had some government official work to do and my mom had to be there, and we went. And 2 days after, my mother tested positive for COVID. So this was start of May. So April में भी सब wrap up हुआ ही था. By the way, मेरे exams भी postpone हो गए हैं and कोई date नहीं है फिलहाल तक. And then my mom tested positive for COVID, and today is, I think, 12th or 13th day of her being in isolation. And touch wood, she is doing very good. She has been recovering very nicely and she has been strong with the situation. But you guys know that जब घर में कोई बीमार होता है, you have so much work to do. And I'm gonna go on with the last layer of products on my face. It's going to be this Good Vibes Rosehip Face Serum. I make sure that I apply some kind of oil as the last step of my skincare routine because I just feel that works for me and just locks the moisture for the entire day. I'm gonna just press the oil वैसे. Apart from that, the last update that I have for you all is this good looking vanity. Okay, construction chali rahi thi, so I made sure that I get something made for my room and myself too. So this is a vanity. It's a big chest of drawers. You guys are going to get a vanity tour, but that's gonna take a while because I want to decorate it. I want to just make sure that everything's perfect. Yeah, with that I also need to apply some lip balm, which is by Vadi. Yeah, that's what has been actually happening in my life, and I'm not crying over here and just, you know, like, oh, मैं तो इतने दुख में चल रही थी इसलिए मैं YouTube पे इतनी inconsistent थी. Not anything like that. But the point is that I know that we're all dealing through our shit, and at this point of time with COVID, things are just going topsy and turvy for so many of us. And I'm just here to tell you that on some days I just feel like my life is crap, but then on other days you wake up and you look forward to some little things in your life, and I think that's what life is all about. So yeah, with that we've come an end to this video, and tumhara pata nahi, my skin is feeling so good and I just want to go and take a nap right now, but I won't because I have a lot of work to do. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for listening me vent out while I do my skincare in the most non-aesthetic way. I don't know how to make things aesthetic anymore. Anyways, but thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. If you did, don't forget to, you guys know, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye bye, ta ta, and namaste.